assaulted her. He's intoxicated. She's hysterical. He's out in the backyard.
What's that?
506 Harwood, 506 Harwood is a physical domestic between the caller and her husband, Jeff Weiler. He assaulted her. He's intoxicated. She's hysterical. He's out in the backyard.
You need to keep your dog on a leash. That happened in front of this officer right here. He witnessed that. If that dog bites me in front of that officer, he's witness to the crime. We got Blackman on scene tonight. We're over on the east side, and there's a Blackman unit. Can't really trying to get you guys a good view of this car here if I can, but there's a unit, patrol unit. I had a feeling that might happen when I saw that dog with a loose leash. Dogs, I've been bit before by loose dogs. So yeah, we help out a lot of like different homeless people. All those cigarettes I gave to that homeless person earlier. Yeah, we'll hook up. Some of them are pretty cool, you know, good people. But this guy, I don't know what his deal is. He's just having a bad night, I guess. He was all passed out on a sidewalk. Got an officer here, welfare check. I thought about you guys almost had a bloopers moment there, saw me fall backwards on my butt. You guys would have been laughing for that, wouldn't you? I got lucky I didn't fall. That dog, he don't like me. He's watching me. I'll see if I can get a different angle so I can get the cop car in a picture for you guys. You can see the cop car. Yeah, he was just protecting his companion. He's all right. He's a good dog. He's a good dog. He's all right. That's what they do. They're companions. So thankful, so grateful for all you guys watching here tonight. Here live on patrol with Freedom News Now. Got Blackman Leone on scene tonight. We're at a Bob Evans on East Michigan Ave for a welfare check on an individual who's passed out. A sidewalk. Let's take a look at this. Kind of give you guys a picture of this unit here. They've got nice looking patrol car. They're all blacked out. Unit 10 from the Blackman Leone Public Safety. I'm like probably not in the best. I'm gonna keep a light out so I don't want to get whacked by nobody or nothing. Make sure you guys hit that like tab if you like these live on patrols, these cop watches. Appreciate it. Well, on to the next one, guys. Yep, have a good night. On to the next one, guys.
Yes, I'm